Yeah, I will clean out the fridge. It's fine. It's fine. I don't even think you need to refrigerate this. I don't. Batteries? No, Dad, I don't think that's a thing. No, I think you're making that up. No, you should not be. Fine, I'll put him back. I'll put him back. Okay. Seriously? Is this even good for this? How long does you have it? Dad, this is over a year old. It is not still good. Don't. You want me to leave this? Just hand me a Ziploc. Hand me a Ziploc. Oh, these are gonna wilt in here. That's not even good for them. That's it. No, they don't taste better. They don't last long. No, they don't. No, I'm taking this out. I'm taking it out. Boxed goods? Seriously, Dad? Boxed goods. These things have like a shelf life of like 125 years. What do you need to be putting it in the refrigerator for? You won't even eat these. You want me to keep these too? In the refrigerator? No, I'll do it. No, I'll do that too. This is a snack drawer, not a bread drawer. Oh, they smell like freezer burn. How long have you had this in here? You don't even properly use a snack drawer. I don't even think you're allowed to have it, honestly. There are rules.